Hello friends, today we will see how to change username in Windows operating system. So we will see how to change or rename existing username in Windows 10, 11. So first of all, you have to log in Windows administrator account. You have to log in where you have all rights. Then you can change or rename the existing login. So first, for doing this, just click on Windows button and then type here control panel. I will show you two ways. Control panel. Then here we have an option of user accounts. Click on user accounts. And then there is an option of remove user accounts. Click on change user accounts first. And here we have an option of change your account name. So, but here my login is admin, but I want to change the other username. So here click on manage another account. Now here I will see all the accounts available. The current login is admin, another is JCM, another is JCM2. So here I want to change JCM2. So click on JCM2. And now here JCM2 is selected. Now click on change the account name. And then here I can type the new account name. So here I am typing student. And then click on change name. So now just see here I have changed the account name JCM to student. So this way we can change the account name. So thank you for watching this my short video about how to change or rename the current existing login or username. Thank you.